Hi, folks. Welcome to today's check-in. We're going to start today's check-in with a thank you to all the people who've subscribed. And we're going to start in the studio with Ghosty and Jazmin.
Hi, Jasmine. Hi, good girl. Hi.
And next, we're going to go to the yurt and check in with all 6
Hi,
of those
kitties.
kitties in the yurt.
Chadwick. Hi. Chadwick and Daisy. Chadwick Bozeman. Junie. Hi, Junior. Chadwick. Hi, Stache. Hi, Tabby Toes. Hi. Chadwick Bozeman. Junior. Daisy May. Stache, what'd you do with your sister?
Lorax, or Mama, as we now call her, is
Aww.
Stache's sister from the same litter.
Where you
All
could
the rest
go.
of these 4 kittens
Your little
are
place up in
from
the
the
attic.
litter that Mama had. And next we'll go over and see the kittens in the little house. Their mama, unfortunately, was killed on the
Yes.
road outside of our house. One of the reasons none of our cats get to go back outside again once we adopt them. Little house kitties are Harry
Oops,
and
sorry.
Tux
Keep shocking your ears. I can hear it going click,
and
click.
Tiger.
Hi, Tiger. This is their upstairs. Oh, hi, Harry.
And we'll check in at the cabin.
Tiger. Hi, Kathy. Hi. Hi, Oliver. Hi. Hi, good boy.
Once again, thanks for watching the video.
Hi, Kathy. Yes, I was
And
on
links
you.
below to other
Saw
content.
you down here, too.
Have a great day.
Hi.
Bye.